Hello everyone, welcome to the Unistellar channel. Thank you for being here. In this third video on the Science tab, we'll talk about a new exciting astronomical event in which you can participate, Planetary Defense. Your eVscope is a powerful scientific tool that allows you to hunt near-Earth asteroids so you can defend our planet. But you have to be very attentive if you want to find those rocky objects that come near our planet, as they can be quite small and there are thousands of them. So if you're ready to become an Earth defender, let's go. What would we do if a space object were found to be on a collision course with Earth? Quite freaky, right? Those kinds of objects exist. We call them near-Earth objects. A near-Earth object, NEO, is any small solar system body whose orbit brings us into proximity with the Earth. The Unistellar Planetary Defense program has been created to assist large observatories that are too often overbooked. The power of combining data from multiple telescopes is appealing for professional astronomers because the more data we gather, the more accurate their orbital models and 3D shape models will be, and the easier it will be to deflect them in case of an Earth impact. That's why, as an eVscope citizen astronomer, and thanks to your time and your observations, we'll be able to refine the orbits and shape those asteroids. We already obtained some great results from citizen astronomers that were published on the Unistellar website. As of today, more than 60 citizen astronomers helped refine the orbits of 20 NEAs. The closest flyby captured by an eVscope was the asteroid 2020 SW, which was only 24,000 kilometers above us, so less than 10% the distance from the Earth to the Moon. Also, among the 25,000 known NEAs, less than 80 have shape models. Guess what? We succeeded in shaping one of them. Based on 30 observations from 26 citizen astronomers from 7 countries, the NEA 1999 AP10 now has a shape. Now the answer to the question everybody wants to know: how can I participate in these events? Let me show you. First of all, remember that you always need to check what we could call the basics. You should always be sure that the focus and the collimation are okay. Check the bubble level and upload the data of your eVscope to empty the memory to record scientific data. Okay, now go to Science tab and click on Planetary Defense. You should now be familiar with this screen, as it's the same for asteroid occultations and exoplanet transits. It starts with the target, the asteroid. You can enter the coordinates. It's called the right ascension, RA, and the declination, or DEC. Below is the recording part with the exposure time, the gain, and the duration. Okay, let's find this information to identify the near-Earth object that needs to be tracked. Go to the Unistellar website, click on Citizen Science, Planetary Defense, then Program. Here, you'll see a list of targets to observe for a given period of time. There are 2 ways to point toward the target. Simply find it in the tab Explore by entering its name in the search bar. Select the asteroid, here 2004 LJ1. Click Go To, and voila. If the asteroid has been recently discovered, it will not be in our database, so you will have to calculate its coordinates. To do so, we added a tutorial in the description of this video. You can also join Unistellar's Citizen Science Stack channel, dedicated to our users, to learn how to do it with the help of other citizen astronomers. Once the go-to is done, you can enter the proper settings to observe it by entering the values listed on the web page. Here, 25 decibels and 3,971 milliseconds and 40 minutes for 2004 LJ1. When you're done, click on Launch. During this acquisition, you can go to the eVscope tab to see the asteroid. However, you may not see much, as it's extremely hard to see. At the end of each acquisition, please click on OK on the pop-up message to record darks. Don't forget to put the dust cap back on before taking it, and to remove it right after. We're not done yet, because we need to start a new launch. With the current method, we have to refresh the asteroid position every 40 minutes, and it's always better to make at least 2, even 3 acquisitions. So 2 or 3 times 40 minutes. If you have time to do it, the results should be better. The number of acquisitions is written on the Planetary Defense campaign webpage. Most of the time, it's about 3 rounds. But before doing that, you need to update the position of the asteroid with another go-to in the Explore tab, like you did before. Then launch another acquisition. When the observation is finished at home, please upload your data and submit this report form so we know how to process your data. Here's one tip. Observe from a dark sky to increase the chance for us to accurately measure the spin of the asteroid and build a 3D shape. Once the data is uploaded, scientists will analyze your observation to extract astrometry data, meaning the measurement of the position of the object in the sky, and the photometry of the asteroid, meaning measuring the intensity intensity of the light radiated by the object. To refine the orbit, the astrometric positions are sent to the minor planet center. For the model shape, we work with scientists at the Charles University in Prague. The results are shared with the users and on our website. Alright guys, guess what? You can now call yourself an Earth Defender. How cool is that? Maybe you should consider applying for a role in Armageddon 2, or simply brag at your dinner party that you indeed defended our planet against a catastrophic collision with an asteroid. We really hope you liked this video. Tell us what you think about this program in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos about science, one of the greatest features of the Unistellar eVscopes. Clear skies and see you on Unistellar.